Meaning of griddle.
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 Griddle. A griddle is a flat metal surface used for cooking, typically made of cast iron or aluminum. It is often used for cooking pancakes, eggs, and other breakfast foods, as well as burgers and other meats. Griddles are typically heated using gas or electricity, and can be found in both commercial and home kitchens. They offer a large, evenly heated surface area that allows for easy cooking of multiple items at once. In summary, a griddle is a versatile and efficient cooking tool that can be used for a variety of different dishes.